in my view, the single worst problem was a lack of being able to get things done. It was always something that was in the way or stalling, or if I made an effort to try it, it just seemed to lead nowhere, and I didn't see a lot of reasons to do it in the first place. One of the problems I had was not being able to. When I went to bed, I couldn't sleep, and when I had to get out of bed, I couldn't get out of it. It was a fight every way, and I slept more than 11 hours per day very often. But I didn't feel awake afterwards, and very surprisingly, counseling helped with that. I didn't expect that counseling would help with something physical or seemingly physical like that, but it did. So I was very grateful for that. The best change in my life is that it's pretty effortless now to be productive. I can just sit down and do things, and not like have to fight myself or have to fight distractions and things, and that for longer periods of time. I think being successful with happiness and school are pretty closely interlinked here, because um, being happy and more optimistic about life makes me more productive, and being more productive makes me more happy and optimistic. So it's it's a kind of synergistic process. Okay, we've worked together for a bit less than 1.5 years, and Shannon and I made the big progress in the first 6 months. And actually, it was a lot better after just one session, but it got continuously even better. And sometimes there were slight, I don't know, a problem was slightly harder to treat than others, so it was a bit persistent. But after about 6 months, it was mostly refinement, and we had sessions less often after that. And it was less tackling big problems, but also career coaching and where do I want to go now. So it was less problem solving and more seeing what opportunities lie ahead and what we could do now. All right, I've been without counseling sessions for the past half a year, and at first I feared that I would relapse or that it would get worse, but it basically stayed stable. So or it improved actually. I would definitely recommend the counseling sessions with Shannon to somebody who is also stuck in a rut and not happy about what they're doing, and who don't know what to do but can't quite deal with it on their own. And yes, I mean, I think the results in my case speak for themselves. It was pretty quickly that we got results, and I'm very happy with where I'm at today, and I don't need any further counseling sessions for now. So I think that's actually the best part of it. It's a lasting success as opposed to just 3 months and then it gets worse again.